In this screencast, we're going to take a look at the Flip Chromebook and specifically how to get Android apps onto the Flip Chromebook. When you're working on the Flip Chromebook, down here on the shelf, you may have the App Store icon for the Google Play Store. This is where you can get Android apps from. Flip Chromebooks are unique because not only can you access the Android App Store, you can also access the Chrome Web Store to add extensions into your Chrome browser and other things specific to Chrome. In this video, though, we're going to take a look specifically at the Play Store. If you don't have the Play Store on your shelf, I would advise that you pin it to the shelf. You can get to it over here by tapping onto your apps, find the Play Store icon. If you tap and hold or click and hold on it, you can choose to pin to the shelf, and that way it'll be there, easy for you to jump into when you need to. When we launch the Play Store, you can see that there are apps in here that we've already put here for you to access and for students to access as well. Some ones that we're using at the beginning of our flat panel TV program is Jamboard is a good one to have. Google Keep as an Android app is really nice. You can use the stylus and draw notes to yourself really quick. Any of the ones that are tied to Google Suite for Education, things like Gmail, Google Drive, Classroom, Docs, Sheets, Slides. If you plan on working a lot in the tablet environment on the Flip Chromebook, I would advise adding those. Those work as apps like apps would on your phone, where they're very touch interactive, and they would work a little bit better if you plan to pull things up on the fly in front of students, instead of having to go to Chrome and always navigating to your bookmarks or doing things that are very tiny up here. If you add the Android apps, those might work a little bit better. If you don't see an app in there that you want, we as the district maintain the apps that are in there available for staff and students. You can request one. If you want to search for apps, maybe you came from an iPad environment and you're wondering if there's an Android app that's comparable. In your web browser, you can go to play.google.com/work, and this is what it looks like. And this allows you to search the Android App Store. If there's an app you want to try out, get in touch with the program leader, and that person will advise you on how to best request that app. If there's one you're looking for, you can use the search and type it out. If you know the name of it, you can, oops, clicked into one I didn't want to click into there. You can navigate these different categories, and if you get the name and the link to the app, that would help for being able to try those apps out. So that is how you can get the Android apps. When they are installed, they mix in your apps area amongst all your other apps from Chrome, from Android. One thing to note, you can see an example right here. If you happen to have Google Keep as a Chrome app, a Chrome browser app, you can see the Chrome icon is there. If you also have the Android app, that's how you can tell the difference. The Chrome version will have the little Chrome logo on it. You can see Classroom here as well. So if you end up having two versions, the one with the Chrome logo is the one that works best in the browser if you plan on working in the Chrome browser a lot. Otherwise, the ones that are Android apps, they tend to have circles around them. So this is Google Drive for Android, this is Gmail for Android, this is Keep for Android. Again, only if you plan to work a lot in the tablet environment would I advise adding those. And that's just a quick overview on how Android apps work on the Flip Chromebook. Thanks for watching.